respected anchors, Shri Khalidmu and Miss Lisushi, the most respected Shri Yimkhiung, Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, and also the special guest of the function, respected Shri G. Kaido, Honorable Minister, and respected Shri Nipakruno, Honorable Minister, respected Shri Tongbang Uzokam, Honorable Minister, and Honorable Advisor Shri Haing, Honorable Advisor Shri Yimkhiung, Shri Kedibizo, Principal Secretary to CM, Shri Robolito IS Commissioner Nagaland, Shri T. John Longomar, DGB Nagaland, Shri Ramnikan IS Deputy Commissioner to Insang, Shri Zivise Fuji NCS, Deputy Commissioner Shamuro, Shri Ningsan Bachang, President CGS, Senior Barricades, Administrators, all rank and file of police and army officers and officers from various departments, EMBO, tribal organizations, tribal hosts of Nagaland, media fraternity, participants, organizations from various areas, all village councils, delegates, and ladies and gentlemen, I on behalf of Yimkhiung Tribal Council and the Shamodar District Demand Committee and also the people of Shamodar District joyfully welcome you all on this historic day of Shamodar District inauguration. On this historic day, I would like to acknowledge the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, Shri Yimkhiung, Shri G. Kaido, Honorable Cabinet Ministry, Shri D.R. Zilang, former Chief Minister of Nagaland, and also the Chairman of UDA Karman, all Cabinet Ministers, advisors, MLS, and senior Karman officers of Nagaland, especially Shri D. Kedivizo, IDS Principal Secretary to Chief Minister, Shri Abhijit Sinha, IS Home Commissioner, Nagaland, and Shri Robolito Moore, IS Commissioner, Nagaland, for understanding the magnanimity of the situation and not only granting the Shamodar as 16th district of Nagaland, but also STBTB Bungro and declared tribe recognition on the same day, the 20th January 2022, and also the creation of VG Training Center at Sangpur in the larger interest of peace and tranquility in the region. We'd also like to acknowledge EMBO and 6 tribal bodies of EMBO for their recommendation and relentless support, and Sir Gedivili, convener 14 tribe hosts of Nagaland, Angkeme Public Organization, Sumi Hoho, and Ausundan for their support, and less the team of Shamodar District would have been a bleak. My fellow tribesmen and women, as we celebrate the inauguration of Shamodar District, we solemnly remember and honor our departed leaders, late Kulungba MLA, late Munikyu MLA, late Yamagam MLA, late T. Dorujo MLA, late Lagyumung MLA, late T. Doshungdu MLA, and also the rank and files of YTC and its frontal organizations who have sacrificed their sweat and tears for the unity and development of Yimkhiung in general and the aspiration of Shamodar District in particular. We sincerely acknowledge and honor their selfless life and contribution towards the cause. The Yimkhiung Tribal Council, seizing this opportunity, would like to put on record our sincere gratitude to former MLS and present MLS of Yimkhiung Tribe and every Yimkhiung individual, village councils, unions, associations, and organizations who have contributed financially, materially, physically since 2003 towards the achievement of Shamodar District. A big thank you to all the independent candidates of 58 Shamodar Josor AC, Sri R. Dohamba, former Parliamentary Secretary, Sri Y. Tokyo Gecham, Sri L. Tungokyu, Chairman, Nagaland Bioresource Mission, Sri Yimso, Sri H. Makam, Sri Rokyumung, Sri Tapiokum for sacrificing their political aspiration and heading to call the YTC in the interest of tribe. Special thanks to YBBA, the Yimkhiung Baptist for area, Yimkhiung Baptist for Amukongdo for organizing chain of prayers, fasting, prayer, vigil for all believers and churches in Yimkhiung land, irrespective of denominations. On this day, I would also like to mention the struggle and journey of Yimkhiung tribe, Vias Shambotor district. Yimkhiung tribe inhabiting Shambotor and Gipher district and also in Myanmar. Yimkhiung Tribal Council was formed in 1948 and its headquarters at Shambotor town, along with the establishment of administrative headquarters in 1955. Although the first representation of Shambotor district demand was submitted in 2003 and followed up in 2009, yet we could not convince the mind of the government at the time. Therefore, after a gap of few years, seeing the desire of the people, the Shambotor District Drafting Committee was constituted in 2014 and subsequently formed Shambotor District Demand Committee in 2016 and submitted a representation to the government of Nagaland, inclusive of all Yimkhiung inhabited areas for administrative conveniences of the community. As all Nagas are aware of, the Yimkhiung family is a conglomeration of 6 dialects. Amongst the 6, the Dikir has been demanding for its separate tribe identity since the early 1980s. We don't want to part ways with them, and we want to live together as one strong family under the umbrella of Yimkhiung. They have been insisting for all these years through thick and thin of the situation. With the growing demand of Shambotor district headquarters, we reach a bottleneck where the only option of fulfilling the aspiration of the people is to grant our brother Dikir a separate tribe. Therefore, after much consultation, deliberation, and prayers, the Yimkhiung agreed to the government for recognition of Dikir tribe on 13 January 2022 and a day to be considered as Red Letter Day for the brothers in lieu of Shambotor district. Thus, the cry of Yimkhiung for a district have been answered and realized today. In the process of shaping our community, the two brothers of Yimkhiung and Dikir have been in the wrong limelight in Naga society over the past few decades, which do have caused inconveniences to the government of Nagaland on many occasions. However, with the consensus agreement in maintaining status quo and agreed to respect each other's tribal headquarters as claimed, that is Yimkhiung tribe for Shambotor and Dikir tribe for Yusam, the decade-long conflicts and inconveniences will be led to rest. We will continue to coexist as brothers and sisters and also as trustworthy neighbors. We will have a warm winter and peaceful Christmas from now on. To all the government officials posted here in this Nelson district to understand the current situation and shortcomings, the fact that we are lagging behind in every aspect comparing to others, but let's not be disheartened nor discouraged. Rather, let us be united to build and develop our district collectively. Once again, I welcome our most respected Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, dignitaries on the dais, and everyone on this historic day of much awaited Yimkhiung Shambotor district inauguration. This is the most memorable and joyous day of Yimkhiung Nagas and citizens of Shambotor district. May the peace of our Lord Jesus Christ reign supreme in our land and region. Makshe and God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen,